Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen where I'm gonna show you all kinds of low carb recipes, healthy-ish recipes that have helped me lose 30 pounds so far on my weight loss journey. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make deviled eggs. This is one of my favorite light lunches. It makes a great easy snack, appetizer, whatever you feel like. So if you wanna learn how to make it and many more recipes, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because it really would help me. So let's get into making the recipe because your girl is hungry. All right, so you wanna get your water super hot to a bubbling boil, and then at that point, we're taking 3 eggs, add those in gently. Then we're literally just gonna start a timer for 10 minutes, no more, no less, and you'll have some lovely boiled eggs. All right, so now that the eggs are boiling, in the meantime, we're gonna chop up some green onions. I just got 2 sprigs here. I'm also going to dice up 1 dill pickle. I'm going to put a little bit in the deviled egg mixture, and then also a few slices on top of the deviled egg. Then the rest we're gonna dice up really finely, like so. It has been 10 minutes. I just took off the boiled eggs. You're gonna pour out the hot water and immediately cover them with really cold tap water. Completely submerge them. So take them out of the cold water. I like to rinse them off as I crack them. I find if you rinse them with cold water as you're deshelling, it makes for a much smoother process. As you can see, you're not making little tears in the egg, which I know I used to have a problem with, but after finding that method, I don't anymore. So just continue with that. So now we're at the point where we just literally cut them in half, like so. As you can see, they don't have that gray color. They're not too soft. 10 minutes boiling them and they come out perfect and lovely like this. And then take a spoon and literally just gently, some of them aren't that easy, gently take out the yolk. Oops. Okay. Well, that sucks. That broke. This is real life, people. Let's try it again. It's all good. Spoon. Without breaking the yolk or the whites of the egg. Scoop out as much yolk as you can. Grab a bowl, add it to a bowl.
Take the egg, gently scoop out the yolk, add it to the bowl.
And I'm still gonna use the broken egg yolk because we don't waste here. And I'll just eat this. And now we're on to make the yolk filling, the best part. So we're adding in, this is probably a good tablespoon and a half, 2 tablespoons of the chopped dill pickle right in the bowl. Boom. And then we're gonna add those 2 sprigs of green onion that we chopped up. So once we've done that, we're going to do salt and pepper to taste. I think a good amount of pepper and a decent amount of salt is important in this. So go ahead and season to your liking. Pepper, lots of pepper is good in this. I'm using half the fat mayonnaise. You can use whatever you like, and we're gonna add in maybe about 2 tablespoons of mayo, but really you can add as much as you like. If you like it extra creamy, add more by all means. We're gonna take French's yellow mustard. I like to do maybe a tablespoon worth. So that's how it's looking. Now we're gonna mix it up till it's nice and creamy. Okay, I've mixed it as much as I possibly could. It's got that beautiful creamy consistency. Taste it as you go. If it needs more salt, do that. More pepper, do that. More mayo, do that. But I think this is exactly how I want it. So let's add it to the eggs. Now, if you have an actual piping bag, all the power to you. I do not, so a sandwich bag will work just fine. Oh God, you could honestly just eat it like that. Nice and dilly and oniony and Gotta brush your teeth after, but anyways. So fill up the sandwich bag as close as you can to the corner. So just cut a hole kind of like so, enough to squeeze it. Try and do a little twirl just to make it look pretty. There's one done. Okay, these beauties have all been successfully piped, looking so good, might I add. And now we're just gonna add a little pickle garnish on top.
1 pickle, 2 pickle.
There you have it, all garnished with the pickles. Honestly, such a good lunch, light lunch, such a good snack, appetizer. These are just super tasty. Oh my gosh. Cheers. Yep. She's good. She's a beauty. The creaminess, the pickle on top, as well as some chopped pickle on the inside, the onion. It's just, oh, it's so good. A little bit of mustard just to highlight the pickles. Oh yeah. You should 100% definitely make these, guys. Like I said, super light lunch option, snack option, and if you make these for a party for an appetizer, I mean, people will love them. So again, I'm gonna be posting a whole bunch of low carb recipes on here that have helped me lose 30 pounds so far. So if you wanna follow that type of thing, please subscribe, please like this video. It really would mean the world to me. And thank you for watching this. I'm gonna go eat these, because like I said, I'm hungry, and that's the hard part about filming when you're hungry, because you just wanna stop and eat it, but I have the willpower. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.